Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I want to introduce you to what should be your new best friend. This is a personal alarm from Vantamo. It doesn't matter how old you are or what gender you are. It's important to have something that can alert others around you if you need assistance. Now, this alarm is super loud. It has speakers on both sides and an extra bright light. I think it's really important for everyone to have something like this, even if they feel like they're always in comfortable or secure situations. You just never know when you might need it. I really like the design on this alarm. It's cute, it's sleek, it comes in a bunch of different colors. I got the color blush because it's nice and neutral. I have lots of different bags that I can hang it on the side of, or I can just put it straight on my key ring. I love that it fits easily in my hand or in a pocket, but the alarm does not trigger accidentally. You do have to pull the loop off of the end, but don't worry, it doesn't come off by itself. Just a short, strong tug will get it out, and then you can put it back in. In fact, you can test it if you want. Just put your fingers over the speakers and you'll see how loud it is. I even took this on vacation with me recently, and it helped me feel so much more comfortable in unfamiliar surroundings, and you can take it on a plane. Get one for yourself and for all of your friends because everyone needs it, and that's my point of view.